Hey, this is Gary Dean, PremiumCustomDetailing.com in Tampa, Florida. I'm here today in my new shop, my fantastic new polishing bay with my fantastic new lighting. I'm super excited, and I'm working on this 06 Porsche Carrera S, and it's black. It is some of the softest paint that you can polish, and I wanted to do a review on HD Uno 5.0 or Advanced Cut and HD Polish. I have been testing this stuff out, and let me tell you, it's good stuff. Now, you all know that if you can get something to perform well on soft paint, generally it'll perform very good on harder paints. So I felt like I had the perfect specimen today, this very soft black Porsche Carrera S, and I wanted to do a review on HD Uno, the latest version, and HD Polish. So I've messed around with it a little bit, and I want to show you guys what we're working with now. And where I'm at right now is I'm going to polish this section right here, and if you'll notice, it's all hazy. It's not super bad. I mean, you know, it's not been incredibly neglected, but you can definitely see all the swirl marks. You know, the haze. The haze is the worst part, but it's got some rids in it. It's got some, you know, definitely some scratches that need to be removed. And you can see all of that with the Brinkmann dual xenon that I'm showing you with now. And so I'm going to polish this section right here with the HD orange cutting pad, which I am 99.9% sure that the new HD pads are buff and shine. So I'm going to use the 5.5 inch orange pad, and I'm going to cut, and I'm going to show you what HD Uno, which seems to have been switched from a polish that you can do everything with, compound and then polish and then finish with, to now it's just their cutting compound. So we're gonna see what I can do as far as removing defects from this section with their cutting pad and HD Uno Advanced Cut with the Griot Garage polisher. Now, I want to answer a few obvious questions before I proceed with this review. But first I want to say, this is Gary Dean, the detailer. Now, I have my own product line. It was all formulated specifically for me, but I am still a professional detailer that makes money detailing vehicles. I need products that not only work well, but also save me time, because if a product saves me time, it will free me up to get on the next one and to make more money. So that's the bottom line. But the reason that I'm shooting this segment right here is because I want to point out that Tunch Gore, the owner of 3D Products and HD, the high definition car care, is absolutely a friend of mine. He's a personal friend, and I want you to know that I would never even bother telling or doing a review about a product and to give false information about how I feel about it. Friends or no friends, I am a professional detailer first. That's my bread and butter. That's how I make money. And I want to say that Uno is absolutely fantastic. On this soft paint, I've already done some testing over on that side, but this is after 3 up, 3 down passes, 1 section pass. It wipes off effortlessly, as you can see, as do previous versions of Uno. And with that said, I'm going to grab the Brinkmann, and you can see that it's near perfect. I did not give it a ton of pressure. I used medium pressure. I don't see any marring to speak of. I see a very slight haze which is again very slight, which I'm confident that the polish will fix. So as far as my review of Uno so far on this soft black paint, I would say that application, cut, and removal of HD Uno Advanced Cut is absolutely fantastic. I used it per the directions on the bottle, and I was able to wipe it off effortlessly. So, as far as a review of HD Uno, the newest version, I would say that it gets a solid rating. I don't know what you'd... If I had to compare the cut to Meguiars M101 or even M105, I would say it would be more like M105 than M101. Just in the sections that I have tested so far, I would say that it finishes better than either one of those, M105 or M101. It does not have the slickness that M101 gives you. I would say it removes, you can remove the residue similarly, but it doesn't have the cut of M101 so far, in my opinion. Of course, this is the only car that I've used it on. I figured it would be a good specimen. So from where I'm at, I would say HD Uno is awesome for sure. And I'm going to go ahead and use the HD white polishing pad with the polish, HD polish, and we'll see the clarity that that'll give me. So we'll go from there. Alright, now we're going to see the results from HD polish and the white HD pad. I did 3 up, 3 down, section pass, and now I'm going to wipe. Look at that. Look at how easy this wipes away. No effort, none. The slickness, you can hear the squeakiness from the slickness. The slickness is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, look at that. The clarity is intense. It is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wonderful job. Wonderful job. Wonderful, wonderful job, Mr. Tunch-Gorin. You have outdone yourself, and I am absolutely, well, I was a fan before, but I am definitely a fan now after having used HD Uno and HD Polish. I would say good stuff, without question. So, that's right, people. It's got the Garry Dean seal of approval, and I'm going to proceed with this Porsche with the, and you can see just the difference here. I actually polished this with Uno and then with polish this section here, and you can even see without the Brinkman the haziness that this lower section has. I mean, this is what you came from, and then this is what you can get to. Bam! HD owns you. Good stuff. I mean, that's all there is to say. Look at the light in how it was before, and then bam, that just rocked you right there. HD Uno, Advanced Cut, and HD Polish. Garry Dean seal of approval right there. Buy it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was informative, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks again, Tunch-Gorin, for working this out.